Hello, this is Tom Cloud with this week's Precious Metals Market Update. There's not a whole lot of new information with this being an election. We're now inside of a week. This is filmed on Wednesday morning, November 2nd. But I did want to bring a couple things to your attention. We've seen a big move up in gold and silver the last 2 days, and we think you will see a correction. So if you're out there and you're watching this film today as it's filmed, you want to watch it real close, because its next turn, we feel from a technical and a fundamental standpoint that both are going to move a lot higher. But just in case you haven't followed me all year, this morning with gold hitting 1,300, gold is up now 21.6% for this calendar year 2016. Silver is up 34.5%. And the stock market's up 2.8%, and all you read about is the stock market. Stock market has dropped for the first time since 2008, 3 straight months, and that was August, September, October. 3 straight months stocks have gone down, with the government doing everything they can to prop them up to make the election look better. So here's what you got to realize. Is chaos is coming. Personally, I think the dollar topped at 99 in the last 3 days. I think the dollar has broken trend and will head down. And remember, the dollar is only down about 2.5% for the year, and yet gold's up 10% for every 1% that the dollar's gone down. And silver's even a little better. So what you can expect is 99 is the benchmark of where we called the top 3 days ago. We think you'll see it drop into the 88 range steadily over the next several months. If it does, then let's say it just goes to 90, a drop of 10% from 99 to 90 on the world index, and gold goes up 10% for every 1% the dollar goes down. We're looking at exact double. So then you're talking about $2,600 gold next year in 2017. Now, certainly there are economic problems worldwide that could keep gold from going up that much, but whatever it went up, it would be more because the stock market would be coming down much quicker. And that's what we really expect, is some kind of deflationary event that's going to push the equity markets down, and people are going to move to gold for safety. But if they keep trying to prop the economy up, and the dollar does go from 99 to 90, once again, you're looking at probably $2,500 plus gold in the near term. So, and silver could go from 1850 to 35 to 40 also very easily. But now is the time to get settled, because like I said, if you look at it, now here's gold 525% up since the year 2000, the stock market 60% up since the year 2000. You look at, and which one's going to do the best in the next 3 years? I mean, how you could bet against gold and silver, to me, would be impossible, looking at the way the world is laid out economically right now. So even the ones that don't believe what I'm saying need to cut their exposure to equities and increase their exposure to precious metals. So once again, if you are interested in a self-directed precious metals IRA, you can give us a call at 800-247-2812 to discuss setting up a self-directed precious metals IRA, and we'll help you get the custodian and walk you through the process. But it's something you need to do now. Roll over or take part and roll it over to a self-directed precious metals IRA. And then also, for the ones of you that are still holding rare coins, we think the time is nearing. You really need to trade or sell those and get into bullion coins, and we can talk about that more. If you don't believe me, just look at the rare coin index over the last 16 years. While gold's gone up 530%, we've seen these rare coins go up only 70 to 80% total. And we don't think it's going to get any better. Collectors are disappearing from the market as we see them moving to bullion. And once again, for the ones of you that haven't followed us, certainly the demand from China and India and Russia and Japan is picking up as they're encouraging their citizens to buy metals to hold against fiat currency. And I really do look for a strong drop in U.S. Treasuries, and you probably will see a rate hike for the Federal Reserve to save face in December. They've said they're going to look at it 62 months in a row, and if they raise it in December, it'll just be the second one, and that would be bad for equities and gold on the short term. But right now, gold looks like it's off and running. The dollar looks like it is clearly in a dropping mode. And hopefully, lastly, some of you saw our email that's on our email blast last week, where a renowned market timer did a inside investigation to markups in the market, and we are the lowest round-trip dealer. Not the people that say they are, but we are. And if you didn't see that video, certainly contact our office at 800-247-2812, and we'll send it to you. It's only 3 days old since it was put out last Friday. So next week, we'll have a new president, and we can give you some prognostications where we think that will be leading us. Until then, this is Tom Cloud signing out.